It's Friday. I had my surgery on my bicep on Monday, and I just saw the doctor today and took off the brace, and now I have this little robotic looking thing that allows me to swing my arm out. I unlock the pin and I can swing my arm out, and I am trying to move on to the Motrin rather than take any kind of painkillers because it seems like it's alleviated, but so far so good. I'm going to show you here real quick. I'm going to switch and you should be able to see how I can unlock it. Unlock this pin here, and then I'm able to swing my arm out about that far. I'm supposed to be trying to go to 180, but I can't get to 180 yet. Still trying. So I can bring it up, bend it, bring it down. I just had surgery on Monday. Cut me open and stitched it back together. So not too bad. Pretty good. And I'll keep checking in.